If you're a small business owner trying to choose between Xero and QuickBooks in 2026, you're not alone. These are the two biggest names in cloud accounting, and the decision can literally affect how much time and money you spend managing your finances. Here's the thing though. QuickBooks has been raising prices aggressively in recent years. Meanwhile, Xero has positioned itself as the modern alternative with unlimited users and a cleaner design. So which one should you actually choose? In the next 7 minutes, I'm breaking down pricing, features, pros and cons, and telling you exactly which software is right for your specific business type. Let's dive in. The pricing battle. Let's start with what you'll actually pay, because this is where things get interesting. QuickBooks Online has 4 main pricing tiers in the US. Simple Start covers 1 user for basic bookkeeping needs. Essentials adds bill management and supports up to 3 users. Plus includes project tracking and inventory and supports up to 5 users. And Advanced is built for larger teams needing deeper reporting and automation. Exact prices vary by region and promotional period, so always check the official QuickBooks website for current rates before you commit. Here's the concern though. Some users report price increases of up to 70% after promotional periods expire, or when plans are forced to migrate to newer tiers. That is not an official across-the-board increase, but it is something to be aware of when budgeting long-term. The introductory price you sign up for today may not be what you pay in year 2. Now let's look at Xero. Xero has 3 plans. Early is the entry level but has limits on invoices and bills per month, so it works best for very small operations. Growing is the sweet spot for most small businesses, with unlimited invoices and bills. And Established adds multi-currency support and more advanced features for growing teams. Again, check the official Xero website for current pricing in your region, as rates can vary. The real game changer with Xero? Every single plan includes unlimited users at no extra cost. QuickBooks charges more as your team grows. Xero doesn't. So if you're running a team and your accountant, bookkeeper, and business partner all need access, Xero can be significantly cheaper overall. And through partner promotions, new Xero users can sometimes access discounts of up to 90% off for the first 6 months. This is not a permanent public offer, and availability depends on region and timing, but I'll drop my partner link in the description so you can check if the current promotion is still active. Alright, pricing aside, what do you actually get? Both platforms cover the essentials: bank reconciliation, invoicing, expense tracking, financial reporting, but they approach things differently. QuickBooks is the all-in-one powerhouse. It has deeper native inventory management, strong reporting tools, and over 750 app integrations. Note that payroll is generally a paid add-on in most regions, not automatically included in your base plan price. If you need payroll, budget for that separately. The interface, though? It's getting cluttered. Years of feature additions have made it busier than it needs to be, and new users can find it overwhelming at first. Xero takes the opposite approach. Clean, modern interface, beautiful design. It's genuinely easier to learn. Multi-currency support is native on the Established plan and works brilliantly if you do international business. And with over 1,000 app integrations, you can extend functionality however you need. The trade-off: Xero's native inventory features are more basic, and for advanced inventory, you'll likely need a third-party app. For payroll in the US, Xero integrates with third-party providers like Gusto, priced separately, since native payroll is not available in all regions. Check Xero's website for payroll availability in your country. Bank reconciliation. Both platforms do automatic bank feeds. Transactions import regularly and you match them to the right categories. QuickBooks uses rules-based automation that learns your patterns over time and gets smarter the longer you use it. Xero's reconciliation interface works the same way. It learns from your past behavior and auto-suggests matches. Most users find Xero's reconciliation interface slightly cleaner and less cluttered to work with than QuickBooks. Winner? It's a genuine tie. Both are excellent here, and you'll be well served by either platform. Reporting. QuickBooks wins on depth. You get more advanced reporting options, greater customization, and detailed financial analysis tools. If you need complex reports with heavy customization for investors, banks, or detailed operational analysis, QuickBooks has the edge here. Xero's reports are clean, well-designed, and cover all the essentials: profit and loss, balance sheets, cash flow, tax reports. They're easy to understand and update in real time. For the vast majority of small businesses, Xero's reporting is more than sufficient. Customer support. QuickBooks generally offers more direct phone support options, though availability can vary depending on your plan and your region. Xero does not offer inbound phone support in most regions. You typically submit a support request and receive a callback or email response. Response times are often fast, but if you prefer picking up the phone and speaking to someone immediately, QuickBooks has the advantage here. This is worth considering if your team is new to accounting software and might need hands-on help during setup. Mobile apps. Both platforms have solid mobile apps. You can send invoices, capture receipts, check your cash flow, and handle reconciliation on the go. QuickBooks has more features packed into the app, but can feel busier to navigate. Xero's app is cleaner and more intuitive for day-to-day tasks. This one comes down to personal preference, but most users find Xero's mobile experience slightly more enjoyable to use regularly. Accountant preference. Here's something that matters more than you'd think. QuickBooks holds majority market share in the United States. Most CPAs and bookkeepers there know it well, use it daily, and are completely comfortable in it. Xero has strong adoption in Australia, New Zealand, and the UK, where it is often the dominant platform. In the US, though, your accountant may have limited Xero experience, which could mean extra setup time or slightly higher fees. Always have this conversation with your accountant before switching. Their comfort with the platform directly affects the quality of support they can give you. The verdict. Who should choose what? Choose QuickBooks if you need deep native inventory management, if payroll integration within one ecosystem is critical, if your accountant or CPA strongly prefers it, or if you want maximum depth of features and don't mind paying a premium. Xero is a better fit for growing teams where unlimited users saves you real money. If you do international business and need multi-currency support, if you want a modern, clean interface that's fast to learn, if you're on a tighter budget and want great value, or if you're comfortable using third-party add-ons for specialized needs like payroll. For most small businesses in 2026, Xero offers excellent value, especially if you have multiple team members who need access. But if you're in a complex industry with heavy inventory needs, or your accountant is deeply embedded in the QuickBooks ecosystem, staying there makes sense too. Final thoughts. Look, both platforms are genuinely solid. You really won't go wrong with either one. But in 2026, with QuickBooks pricing becoming less predictable year after year, Xero's value proposition is stronger than ever for small and growing businesses. If you want to try Xero, check my partner link in the description, where you may be able to access a promotional discount for your first few months. Availability varies, so check while it's still active. And if this comparison helped, hit that like button and subscribe for more small business software reviews. Drop a comment below. Are you Team QuickBooks or Team Xero?